And what I want to do is I want to take these really nice cream puffs that I made. I'm going to fill them with the pistachio curd, and then I'm going to dunk them in the isomalt. And while that isomalt is still hot, I'm going to transfer it to some crushed pistachios that we made. So you get that, the texture of the pistachio, and then you get this really nice crunch from the isomalt. And it's crystal clear, so you can see the beauty of the cream puff still. So let me just fill this with my pistachio curd. All the recipes can be found at blog.modernistpantry.com. And I use a toothpick just to be able to get it in there without having to put my fingers into hot sugar, because sugar burns are terrible. So I let it sit in there for just a second as that isomalt sets up. I remove the toothpick. In about 30 seconds, I can take it off. Yeah, that's pretty good. Less than 30 seconds, but still. Great. Let that cool completely. The rest of them are finished. So Janie, if you wanted to eat one,
yes,
you absolutely could.
Is it this one?
Let's start with these front ones.
Okay.
Yeah, these front ones are nice.
Yeah. And then if you do have some extra left over and you're like, I'm just going to leave it and I want to reheat it the next day for another project, can you do that?
Yeah, you can. I would definitely suggest putting it, if you have a lot in here, you can pour it into a metal pan and then right into an ice bath. If you wanted to keep it in the same pan, say you just needed it, on and off the heat, you could just do that. I could take this pan, reheat it back up, and then glaze another cream puff if I needed to.
Speaking of cream puffs, this is delicious. I love pistachio, so anything with pistachio is amazing, but this is super yummy.
Yeah, so definitely check out those recipes on the blog. We'll have recipes for the curd, the pâte to make the cream puffs, and the entire pistachio cream puff recipe will all be on the blog.